Hello, welcome back. Uh, I was declaring that Germany had to sell their gold to recover the loans which he has taken from other countries so that he can cover up the debt in which he was going through in the during the war. And finally, the debt kept on increasing. Now Germany was trying to recover it, but the debt kept on increasing, and finally it reached 98 crore 8 lakh 60,000 rupees. It was not a very less amount. Anyways, the situation was getting worse to worse and worse, and hyperinflation took place. What is that? To buy a loaf of bread was widely publicized, evoking worldwide sympathy. Bread, for buying bread, they had to stand in queue. They had to stand in lines for hours and hours and hours. And due to this hyperinflation, some new agenda or crisis took place that was called Davis Plan. Davis Plan is means that when you are under a huge financial burden and situation worsened in such an amount that people got scared about Germany and its security, and they started selling out their shares. And at a time, in one day, that is in 24th October, 13 million shares were sold because people were easing, uh, they were running through a mind of insecurity because the huge economical crisis brought them truly in high depression. The German economy was worst hit by economical crisis. By 1932, industrial production was reduced to 40%. Quite natural when there is no economical support, so production will also be hampered and it will reduce. It will have a huge downfall. And for that, Germany had to make maximum people unemployed, and the level of unemployment or the number of unemployed people raised to 6 million. Just think about it. When 6 million people are unemployed, then what can be the worst condition of the country? The economic crisis created deep anxieties and fears in people. The middle class, especially salaried employees and pensioners, saw their savings diminish when the currency lost its value. Now, there was a value. This amount is going to have this much of valuation, and that valuation also fell down. And finally, proletarianization and anxiety of being reduced to the rank of the working class, or worse still, unemployed. Normal people who were living a life of a mediocre, they were fallen down and they became a very low scale people, as because their income was zero. This was the worst condition of Germany. And in this climax entered Hitler. So how did Hitler took back the control of Germany, and how did finally democracy's destruction came forward? We will see how Nazi, when it became powerful, it gained control, and when it finally got the control, how it worsened the life of people. That we will see in our next session. Clear? Till then, go through this part. I'll be back very soon. Thank you.